Hello there and welcome to test 3 in maths. So here you've got multiple different types of questions to answer. Each question is very different. So you may have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, filling in the blanks and ordering numbers, so many different types of questions. Some of these assessments are important because then we can check what your strengths and your weaknesses are. So please do try your best and try and work out every single question as you go along. If there's anything that doesn't make sense, just try your best. In our next lesson, we'll go over these with you in much more detail. Let's just do one question while we're at this introduction video. So choose a number that correctly completes the given calculation from the options provided. So here we can see that we have a blank divided by 4. Now we know that the opposite of division is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Opposite of subtraction is addition. So here we're looking at this particular formula here. So because we've got a division there, we are going to do the opposite and just multiply. So these two numbers, we're just going to multiply them. So what's 4 times 5 or 5 times 4? So 4 times 5 or 5 times 4 is 20. So if you were to put 20 here and do 20 divided by 4, that gives us 5. So in other words, 5 times 4 equals 20, or 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So you can start from the left or the right, depending on whether you're going to divide or multiply. And in this situation, the answer will make sense. Good luck with the rest of the questions.